Hi, kids! Today we will learn about some naming words that tells us about the names of different animals and their babies. So let's start. Meet this cute little animal. Which animal is this? This is a dog. Now let's meet its young one. The young one of a dog is called a puppy. Today is its birthday, and he is waiting for his friends. Here comes the first guest of the party. This is a duck, and this is its young one called a duckling. So we are getting to know the names of animals and their babies. So listen very carefully. Here comes a little green friend. It's two young ones. This is a frog, and the young ones are called tadpoles. Now, let's meet more friends. Who are the guests of the puppy? It's a bear. Bear has come with its young one, cub. Here comes another friend. It's a fox. Fox, too, has come with its young one. It's also called a cub. Here comes another friend, a lion. Lion has also come with its young ones. They are also called cubs. Ooh, look! Here comes another friend, a tiger. Young one of a tiger is also called a cub. So we have learned that the young ones of a bear, a fox, a lion, and a tiger are called cub. Here comes another friend. It's a cat. Cat too has come with its young one, a kitten. Here comes another friend. It's a goat. Goat has also come with its young one, called a kid. Here comes another friend. It's a camel. The young one of a camel is called a calf. Here comes a cow. Cow also has her young one with it. It's also called a calf. Here comes a buffalo. The young one of a buffalo is also called a calf. Here comes the biggest friend. It's called an elephant, and it has come with a cute baby elephant. Cute baby elephant is also called a calf. Here comes another big friend. It's a rhinoceros. The young one of a rhinoceros is also called a calf. So kids, remember, the young one of a camel, cow, buffalo, elephant, and rhinoceros is called calf. Here comes another friend. It's a pig. And the young one of a pig is called a piglet. Here comes a chicken. The young one is called a chick. Here comes a deer, and the young one of a deer is called a fawn. Here comes another friend. Zebra has also come with its young one, called a colt. Here comes a very cute friend, rabbit. It has come with its two little babies, called a bunny. Here comes a white fleecy sheep, and the young one of a sheep is called a lamb. Here comes another friend, Horse. The young one of a horse is called foal. So, many guests are here to celebrate the puppy's birthday. And we have learned the names of so many animals and their babies. The puppy is so happy on his birthday. All his friends have brought gifts for him. Now it's a celebration time. Let's cut the cake. The puppy and all his friends are enjoying a lot in the birthday party. The puppy is very happy to get so many gifts. Now it's time to see off all the friends. Zebra goes first with its baby, colt. Then goes the pig with its piglet. Now the rabbit leaves with its bunnies. Then goes the sheep with its baby lamb. The cat also leaves with its kitten. The duck goes next with its duckling. The horse is also leaving with its baby foal. Camel, cow, buffalo, elephant, and rhinoceros all are leaving one by one with their babies, calf. Young ones of a camel, cow, buffalo, elephant, and rhinoceros is called calf. Now it's time to see off the bear, fox, lion, and tiger. Remember, the young ones of a bear, fox, lion, and tiger are called cub. So, all the friends of the little puppy have left now. The little puppy enjoyed a lot and is happy with so many gifts now. Okay, kids, now you can go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.